This is a 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, cooled seats, an air suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, adjustable driver pedals, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.